This is a video I'm going to make on my Utopia. I've got my boards made, and what an extender board is a board that I make so I can extend these up so I can work on them. I've modified these. I put leads on them so I can check other powers in and out. Like if I have the RF board installed in this one, then I'd go S102 would be this connector, and S101 would be over there. And if I had the IF board hooked up to it, it would be S202 and 201. And I've got them all numbered. And you can see this one here's got an H on it. That means that that's test point H. And over here, I've got a label on this one saying G. So that's test point G. Well, what I'm doing is I'm checking the IC board. And the IC board is connector 302 over here. And terminal 2 is the 7 voltage pin, and that should be 5.08. And without the board plugged in, I've got 15 volts. And here I'll plug this IC board in. And you can see it's 5.15. That's pretty close to 5.08. Now I'll plug this other board in. This is actually out of this radio. I guess this is a 623A. And I've got 2.64. And I know for a fact that that chip right there is getting hot. Now what we're checking here is this number 7 right here. It says it's supposed to be 5.08, and that's one of the pins that go into this board. Now if I folded this damn thing over, so I've got to find it again. Okay, here's the 7. That means the square. And it goes through this R517 50 ohm 5 watt resistor. And it comes off this top leg. And you can see it says 15 volts. So what that means is, let me see if I can find this other page now. Yeah, right here. Here's our programmable divider board or IC board. Here's our voltage coming in, number 7. And it goes into S302 pin 2. And that's S302 pin 2. And that should be our 5 volts. So that's just another way I can test these powers in and out through these boards. And here I've even got an audio board. And I've got leads on it. So yeah, that tells me, and this chip is getting warm for some reason, so just another way I can test them. I've got all these leads come out. I've just got little pieces of shrink tubing on them so they don't touch anything. And I've got jumpers, extenders made up because this little cable won't fit up there if I want to test it with everything in it. It'll plug into there like that. Got leads over here. So yeah, just another thing. I got to figure out why that chip's getting hot.